Welcome to 3352 North Ravenswood in Chicago, Illinois. The homeowners wanted to revamp the exterior of their modern North Side Chicago home as well as replace the windows and doors. At Siding and Windows Group, we have a fantastic team of people who help to bring the client's visions to life. Our design consultants use 3D modeling software to create outstanding designs that give you an exact sense of what the end result of a project will look like, and our construction crew does an excellent job of bringing those designs to life. For this project, we used James Hardie panel with metal chains in the color Night Gray. The old doors were replaced with modern-looking ProVia Doors, and the old windows were replaced with brand new Marvin windows. The overall appearance of this home's exterior was altered, and the homeowners were extremely pleased with the end result. Their complete satisfaction was guaranteed by both our services and our price points. For more information on how Siding and Windows Group can transform your home, please contact us to schedule your design consultation today.